check!
Mic check!
We amplify each other's voices!
We amplify each other's voices!
No matter what's said!
No matter what's said!
So we can hear one another!
So we can hear one another!
But also, we use this human mic because the police won't let us use any kind of instrument.